Well, Pueblo and Colorado and the United States of America. My name is Dr. Heidi Marie Wodiuk. I received my doctorate in medicine, an accredited university, with an emphasis in biblical study. Which means I'm a biblical healer, which means esoterically, due to my education, due to my practices, due to my esoteric abilities in healing, and due to my esoteric knowledge, my wide trained, accredited practice ability according to the color of law and in the courts of courts in the esoteric world, I have immunity just as a judge. Don't forget that, David Krockenberg, and don't forget that, Pueblo, Colorado, and all of you judges. You need to learn about the real laws of masonry, the root of the color of law and the Constitution. And don't forget that under the color of law, a person of my caliber, my education, and my practice has the right of immunity as a high clergy person. Just as a judge, I have immunity. I also am a trained and practiced shaman, and I'm classified as a medicine woman in the Native American ways, which means under the color of law, you cannot hold me at CMHIP. You can only have a esoteric and an educated person who holds specific educations and licenses to evaluate somebody of my caliber of esoteric abilities and knowledge. And in America, there are only a couple people that are capable of evaluating somebody at my level of experience and education. There are only a couple military bases who actually understand my capabilities and my knowledge. So there's other proof. It's also written in the law. Anyone who is practicing yogic practices, who is also highly esoteric, the MMPI tests of psychological testing says that the person must have additional education and a license, a specific license to test people who are very spiritual. And not just if you read the Bible, you have to be in high spiritual abilities and practices. There is also requirements for people who practice Native American ways. So Susan Middleton said that when it comes to the government, that you just get whoever is going to evaluate you. No, I don't think so, Susan Middleton. And Allison Kennedy said she didn't need a license to evaluate me. Well, Allison Kennedy, let me tell you, my education, my experiences are way over your head. And best you listen up, because I did provide you the statutes. They're filed in my case, 15 CR 1287. They're not a joke, David Krockenberg. Look them up. I have immunity.